Hello everybody, this is Tom from Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. We're going to do a maximum and minimum problem in graphing functions. Index 8 to get to my menu. I'm going to scroll down here to local max and min. There it is there. You can do all these things on the after you've put the function in. I always tell you to start a graph paper because generally when in a test you're supposed to find these things through derivatives, etc., and then graph it by hand on a piece of paper, you know. So you find the points and continue to graph it. We're going to enter the function. You have to press alpha before you enter anything in these entry lines here. Alpha function is 6 times x to the third power minus 9 times x squared plus 8. I always show you what you've entered. You can change it if you want. I say it's okay, and we're going to scroll down here to local max and mins in this menu here. And we're going to wait for it to load. This is busy when it's loading the program. It only does that the first time you load it. The rest of the time it's very quick. And we find the first derivative and then set it equal to 0 and factor it and find the x values. X equals 0 or x equals 1. These are critical numbers. They're along the x axis. They're not critical points. Critical point is when you put these into the original function and then solve for y, and you get the y value, and that's a point. And we've done that here. And at 0x and 8 for the y, and 1x and 5 for the y. These are the points. Very important. A lot of professors don't make that clear. And then to find whether it's a maximum or min, you put the critical numbers into the second derivative. If the answer is negative, then you know you have a maximum. If the answer is positive, you have a minimum. Notice they're opposite. Positive, minimum, negative, maximum. So we find the second derivative. Here it is here. Put x equals 0 in for notice we get a negative 18. Negative 18 means it's a maximum. Notice this is a positive, and therefore it's a minimum. Now I graph this for you so that you can see exactly what happened. And you can see here at 0, 8, we have a maximum. At 1, 5, we have a minimum. Pretty neat, huh? Everystepcalculus.com. Go to my site, buy my programs, pass calculus. Have a good one. Bye-bye.